Talking about interfaces for the drones, especially for my older drones like the Inspire 1, I found out that the DJI Go in past months has been pretty much laggy, and haven't really used Go since then. I've alternatively used Litchi for the Crystalsky, and that's improved the camera view much better. Now that there's a update on DJI Go pilots, and also surprisingly enough in the December updates for the DJI Go, I found out that I can now use DJI Go as well as DJI pilots and Litchi. The update for December seems to have fixed most of the flaws with this. The version 3.1.38. There's no lag on that. No real discernible lag anyway. The pilot app is pretty much good for the drone. Hopefully I can fly my drone much better with the pilot app version 1.2.0. Ultimately, in the end, I've got 3 apps or drone interfaces for my Inspire 1, and I'm actually happy that I've got control of my drone with the proper use of DJI software, and hopefully I'll go out in the field and test it. Please subscribe to my channel for some more hints and tips for some drone stuff. Inspire 1, Mavic 2, and I'll be doing more Ronin S filming as well as the Hero 7 Black.